anong oras na ba ngayon? For sure hapon na. I curled my hair, obviously. I also filmed the get ready with me video. I know hindi perfect yung pagkulot ko ng buhok ko. Hindi ako marunong magkulot, okay? Pasensya naman. Tapos yung ginamit ko pa yung hair straightener ko pa. So please don't judge my kulot. Anyway, nag-film ako ng get ready with me video. Isa yun. Basta, I don't know. I'm not sure if you're gonna like it though. We'll see. First time ko in forever na mag-wing eyeliner. Oh my gosh, that video though, yung video na yun as in sobrang impromptu lang. Ngayon ko lang talaga siya naisip ngayong araw na to. And I did it and now I wanted to do, yung plano ko talaga ngayon is mag-film ng haul. Tapos sabi ko, you know what, I should film myself get ready and then put a twist on it while getting ready. So that's what I did. Pero I'm gonna film a video because you know what, I need to have the haul up tomorrow. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm just not sure if my hair is okay. I mean, I don't know. I kind of like it, but I kind of don't like it. I have a love and hate relationship with my hair right now. This part right here looks okay. This right here looks a little chaka. I do not know. Ang dami kasi nag-request na kulutin mo naman yung buhok mo, ganun-ganun. Parang hindi ako sanay sa kulot kong buhok. Hindi ko siya bet. Anyway, mag-film na ako ng video. My gosh, ang daldal ko talaga. Nandito na si Dan. First time niya makikita na kulot yung buhok ko. So, we'll see kung ano magiging reaction niya. Bye, 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 bye!
Are you a boss? Oh, I like it. Do you like it?
I forgot to eat lunch again. So I'm gonna have this, the corn chips, and then the guacamole that I made last night, and then the salsa. Right here, this is the medium salsa. Oh, I look fancy. I have makeup on. Pupunta kami sa bahay ng kuya niya. Lalakadin lang namin for exercise. Ooh. Look at my hair. Oh, this choker is from Gear Best. And I have, I think, one more choker from them that I haven't worn yet. But yeah. Lerv. He's writing his name on there. Which I don't recommend. But whatever. What is it? DR? Oh, okay. I thought it's Daniel and Rhaze. So that's DR. Your name, heart, and then mine. I hope so. I hope it's my name. I hope there's no other RS out there. That looks alright. Wait, let me zoom in. Okay, DR heart RS. The last time we walked here, I was catching Pokemon, so I was playing Pokemon Go. There are so many Pokemons going to his brother's house. But then I deleted the app because I ran out of Pokeballs and I don't want to spend money on an app. So I deleted it. But yeah, I remember I got maybe 3. Look at this, you guys. So they have the cemetery right next to the church. Isn't that weird? That's really creepy.
Yeah, it is weird here though. I don't see it that often.
And that's it. That's all I have. Doogie! Time to eat. His name is Monty?
Monty.
Monty! Yummers! Look at you. Big boy. Come on. Yummers. We will go to Foodland. Is it food? Yeah. We will go to Foodland. We will get lettuce because we forgot to get lettuce yesterday. That's my bad because he told me about it. He's like, lettuce? I was like, nope. But then I remember today, yeah, we need lettuce for our dish tonight. So that's what we're getting. Just the lettuce. I'll go ahead and wash my face. I am watching Jeffree Star, and you guys, I'm using the phone case that I got from Tarata, Next Mall, and Amazon. I actually did a whole video on it, and then this thing right here, my goodness! Ngayon, sobrang happy ko na merong ganyan. Kasi nakikita ko na yung maayos na video. Noon kasi naka-flat lang yung phone ko, and mahirap like ganyan. So, it's my first time in forever na I did wing liner, and also that I curled my hair. I'm actually not a big fan of my curly hair. hair, I still prefer the straight on me. Yun lang naman yung gusto ko. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? It's always split though because some people will like it, some people will not like it. That's normal. Pero I'm really liking my winged eyeliner. Hello! I'm getting ready. I was watching Bunny's video, yung biggest back to school giveaway. She does that every year. Oh my gosh, I watch her for I don't know how many years now. But yeah, I was watching her video. I will go to the city today. I'm just getting ready. My face looks kind of crazy right now kasi I have powder under my eyes na hindi ko pa na-blend kasi I'm baking it. Yeah, I was like, you know what? Let me turn on the camera para mag-vlog ako. Hindi ko sure kung final na tong outfit na to, but I have on the denim jacket that I got from Shein, and then this that I got from, what's the brand? Oh, Cotton On. My jeans. Hello! That I got from Target. Yung sa kids section. And then my boots, you saw it. Yup. Yung my heels. Mag-heels ako today. Why not? So that's my outfit of the day. Pero again, hindi pa siya final. So, tapusin ko muna yung brows ko because look at this. Hello! I straightened my hair because yesterday I curled my hair and siguro mga 3 videos curled yung buhok ko kasi I filmed 2 videos yesterday. Tinanggal ko yung denim jacket ko kasi when I was straightening my hair, parang ang bigat-bigat na. And I added choker. This is from Gear Best. Hindi ko pa na-film yung haul featuring Gear Best kasi I think I got 3 chokers from them. I still prefer the straight hair on me. I mean, a lot of you guys did like the curly hair on me. I posted it on my Snapchat and then on my Instagram, and I got a lot of positive response on my curly hair, but I personally didn't like it as much. I'm still not sure if I'm gonna wear this shirt kasi parang ano siya dito sa baba, parang mga baba siya tapos nakikita yung aking mga babies. Pero, and ito, hindi ko siya ma-close you guys. Ewan ko ba dito. Ang liit ng kanyang ano. Gagamitan ko to ng knife mamaya. Oh, by the way, I used the Remington. If you've watched my, I'm not sure if I showed this on my Get Ready With Me video, but this is the Remington Smooth Finish Ceramic na hair straightener. Ito din yung ginamit ko pang curl ng buhok ko. Si Dan actually nagbayad niyan. So, yeah, I think it was $29. So, not bad at all. And it actually works really good. Like, look at my hair. Yes. Papalitan ko tong shirt ko kasi bonggang-bonggang kitang-kita ang aking babies. Hindi pa ako naglagay ng highlight char. Magka-highlight na talaga. Hindi pa ako naglagay ng highlight ng blush at saka ng lipstick, obviously. Pero later na. I'm done. I'm ready na. Nagpalit lang ako ng shirt sa ilalim. Ito yung, I don't even remember where I got this from. Siguro guys, ano. And then I tied it right here kasi medyo mahaba siya. And yes. Yung lips is, my lipstick is the ColourPop Lipsticks in the shade Cami. And yung video ko, 53 minutes daw. Ano nga ulit yung kailangan kong gawin? Oh yeah, I need to charge my phone. Where's my charger though? Kailangan ko i-charge ang aking phone. Where's my charger? Papunta na ako sa bus stop. Ang ganda ng weather today. Parang malamig pero hindi masyado. That's why naka-t-shirt lang ako underneath my jacket kasi okay lang yung weather. Tignan natin yung ano, yung sinulat ni Dan kahapon sa doon sa ano pa to, pathway. Tignan natin kung nandun pa rin. It's still there. DR Heart RS. Dito kami sa ano, food court somewhere. Dito ako with Kathy. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Hello. Nag-vlog ka today?
Oo.
Yay.
Vlog kami habang inaantay ka namin.
Ah, okay. Nandito na si Al. Hintay namin siya. Kamita ko ng bagong friend. Ito yung same chicken na in-order namin last time we were here. Soy sauce chicken, and then I got satay chicken with rice. And then she got the caldereta looking beef. I'm gonna vlog. Are you okay? Okay. I'm gonna show you another video. Are you ready?
Hello.
Oh yeah, she's from Iloilo. This is Anne, by the way.
Why, is it recording now?
Yeah.
Hi guys.
She's gonna do her own channel soon. I mean, she has a channel. Yeah, no videos yet, but she will upload soon.
These girls. Ayan na naman.
Dito kami sa Meyer. Oh, look at her nails! Ah, we have the same nails. Hindi namin plinano yan.
Hindi tayo nag-usap-usap.
Oo nga eh. Ay, saan tayo?
Here. Go this way. Oops. Sorry.
You
Dito
guys.
sa Philippines.
$8. Piso lang to. Sports girl. Hindi no.
5 pesos. Okay. 5. But still though, that's expensive.
5 pesos? Philippines?
$8 is how much in pesos?
$8. 8 times mga cut. $7. $35. 35 na.
Ang taas.
Sige, 35 times 8. Hindi ako maging smart.
Ako din!
Husband ko, finance, hindi ako maging smart.
Ako din. Buti na lang si Dan marunong mag-math kasi ako hindi ako marunong.
80 pesos?
280?
5 pesos? Sports girl. Hindi ka sports.
Tsaka, oo nga, ang mahal. Sobra. Over. Oh, that's cute. Dreamcatcher. Look at the price.
$17.
Maganda ba?
Saan? Hala. How much would you pay for that?
Magkano yan?
Tumahimik. Ang cute na to. So cute.
Yeah, speaker.
250.
Ako na ako na vlog. Ayan nga, napapractice nga ako. Record na ba to?
Yeah, it's recording.
Bakit na-record mo agad?
I was recording this.
Sige na.
Ito, hindi ba, hindi, ay, pareho lang. Ang cute ah.
And it's vlogging.
I'm vlogging for them, guys.
Vlog yourself. Use the flip screen.
No, thank you. Baka maaalin mo. Baka maaalin. Yeah, that one's, yeah. That one's good.
Ganda kaya. This one is so cute.
Hello. Oh, that's so cute. Pero yung ano niya, yung border niya, it's red.
Vlog yourself.
Ayaw ko nga, wag kang maingay. Nagre-record ako.
Direct dito, direct dito.
Ang ganda nito.
Yan.
I'm sure kung magkakasya sa ano.
Yun nga sa drawer eh. Pero kasi naman yung
Ah, mura lang, $2.
Start like if you buy this and you can sell.
yeah. Kasi size lang naman yung di ba yung Mac?
Ating yung Mac medyo malaki. Pero siguro ka-size niya rin.
Kasi sa bayo ko.
Oo, matabangan yung Mac.
I mean like that way. Yeah. Kasi yung ato kapo-kapo mo.
Oo, pero oo.
Gusto ko sila na ganun.
Sa picture maliit yung record.
Ulit rin naman sa personal oh.
Oo, pero ito, parang mga diba?
Meron ka rin, di ba? The Simon?
Ikaw din ko na.
Mm-mm.
Of course.
And opal.
And what?
Opal.
Tapos ito, ilalagay mo dyan dito?
Hindi, lalagay ko siya sa drawer para hindi slide.
Oh, good one.
Still filming? This is so cute. For the liquid lipsticks. And it's only $9. Nagdadalawang isip pa sa cat.
As always.
For the Lipey? Kylie? Lipey. Dito kami sa Chibo.
Yay!
Yeah. Nag-order si Kat ng coffee. I got a latte. She got hot chocolate. She said she can't vlog because as soon as the camera is on, she will just start looking at herself and like just look at herself.
Ang ganda ko. Oh my God.
See? Instead na yeah. Instead na mag-vlog siya, ginagawa niya yung salamin yung camera niya.
Ako din like,
Ang ganda-ganda ko. Alis na ako.
Unlike bones.
alis ka na.
Oo, kasi in 10 minutes darating na yung sundo ko. Bye, Kat! Bye, Ann! Nice to meet you. Yeah!
Nice to meet you.
Subscribe niyo siya. Wala pa siyang channel. Wala pa siyang channel, pero soon.
Pag nag-vlog ako, I'm gonna be looking at that, not you.
We will go to Target! And then pupunta kami sa bahay ng kapatid niya. Doon kami magde-dinner. Kasi wala yung mama niya, tapos wala din yung isang kapatid niya. So yeah, dalawa lang kami. Dalawang grupo. What did I say?
let's get pizza.
Oh, are we gonna get it?
I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how today.
Who will get it?
She might have cooked something, I don't know.
Ah.
You know. Even though we'll get pizza.
Okay.
I want pizza, Tristan probably wants pizza, so hopefully she didn't cook.
Yeah, the plan was to get pizza. So we'll see. On the dance floor, I wish that we could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. What? We're here at Target. Can you see it? Right there. You can't even see it, but whatever. I'm just wearing slippers or thongs. And then he's wearing his
Slippers.
home slippers. And then, hinubad ko din yung contacts ko. Because my eyes are kind of irritated. I said I took off my contacts. Look at this. We got this last time. We got only this. And I asked him to get this, but he didn't get one. And now we use it a lot and it's so cute. So you gonna get two?
Might as well get two.
Lemon and tomato. Only $1. It's cute. You store your tomatoes in here and put it in the fridge. That's it, babe? That's it. That's it.
Yeah, that'll do for today.
That's it. We're home. We got two of this now. So cute. We have onion in there, I think. And then where's the lemon?
In the drawer.
The lemon is here. Cute. This is empty. Okay. Anywho, kakarating lang namin sa bahay. Nagpunta kami sa bahay ng kuya niya para pakainin yung aso. And then, oh, I think my video is already up. Yeah, it should be up. That's basically it for this vlog. I need to close this vlog tonight. The Bachelor. Oh, next week. Okay. I will watch The Bachelor. Anyway, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget me. Good night.